Okay guys, so let's do a little update. So as you can see, the cabbages are growing nicely. We have the broccoli. Remember, this was the broccoli that I harvested and I left the shoot. Well, as you can see, more is coming out here. There's some other broccoli that I can see down there, so let me show you that is coming along. You can see the cabbages are growing. We have this broccoli here. We have this broccoli here. There's another broccoli somewhere in there. I can't see though. Somewhere in here there's another broccoli. I think I'm gonna harvest this broccoli today. This one looks like it needs to be harvested. What about this one? Maybe I could harvest this one as well. And we will leave the shoots. It will continue to grow. We have another one here. And like I said, the cabbages are also coming along nicely, growing and so forth.